All right, darlings. We're looking at the D minor chord progression in the song Mame. I'm going to show you one way. That's kind of the way it's sounding. But I wanted to show you another cool way of doing this. I'm going to make a D minor using a bar chord. And this is based on the open A minor form. So it's going up the fretboard. And I'm going to bar the fifth fret. This is the way I bar it. I know it's a terrible technique, but that's what I do. And I'm going to take my ring finger and I'm going to place it on the G string in the seventh fret, like that. There's a D minor. Now we've already figured out that the note that is moving in this progression is a D. Well, guess what? This note is a D. So the first part of this is 1, 2. Now I'm going to take my middle finger and go to the sixth fret. That D is moving, and then let go and just hold the bar. Let's try this again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now, this is the best part of this. We go to a G9. Is that gorgeous? Let me show you again. D minor. Regular old D minor. D minor major 7. D minor 7. And then a G9. Cool, cool, cool. So we'll have you coax the blues right out of the horn. May you charm the husk right off of the corn. May. Now the other way to make a D minor down here, D minor progression, here's our D minor. This is the note that's moving. We can do that. So we have our D minor. Now I'm going to switch up. There might be a better way, but I'm going to switch up. And it does look like an A augmented fifth. And that is right there in the chord form on the song. Watch this. Here's the A. Now I'm just going to make an F. You feel the movement of the note. Here's the D minor. Now to get the full movement, I'm going to make a little G bar here. Or G7. Let's try it one more time. 2, 3, 4, 1. I couldn't contain myself. I had to go up to that G9 because it's just so gorgeous. Oh God, I need a cookie.